It's a new week, tuongee mambo yetu kama kawaida. Yes.
Weekend yako imekuwa namna gani tangu tuachane hapa siku ya Thursday? Umeshinda namna gani? How was your weekend? Mishe zimekuwa namna gani?
Weekend yangu imekuwa mzuri sana. Asiwezi complain.
Nini mzuri?
I had a very nice weekend, a very great weekend.
By then nilikuona upande wa mbuga za wanyama. Where was that?
Yeah, nimetembea kidogo. By the way, mimi tuna realize thinkeringa hiyo mbuga ya wanyama iko tu hapa Homa Bay. But people don't know. Abantu tokuruga twenda Masai Mara badala nende togenda to promote abantu baito aba neighbors matega ko Ruma National Park.
Ruma,
very nice place.
National Park.
Yes.
By the way,
you want to connect with nature. It's a great place.
So you connected with
it. Very affordable. Yeah.
Ukimaanisha hivyo unamaanisha aje?
Iko affordable. Hata mwananchi wa kawaida kama mimi ninaweza enda pale ningie niangalie wanyama nirudi.
So you enjoyed?
Yes. It's a nice place.
Tena nini? By the way, wonder about a place to visit as a tourist. Yeah. It was one of my topics. About which sites can one visit in Busi? In Busi. Yeah. That is when we talk about Kisi na Nyamira. Kera tukuligere na site kichiga at least Montara visit aligere dinera tebanga ki. I went to Kisi and this is where I went. It was so nice and this. Tatarachi kwende point you. Igo no wako leta we weekend.
Nche weekend na wana ko leta we that was on Sunday na watebete was going to receive a sacrament of confirmation.
Confirmation.
Wana nanya ko veke songo manya go cheke usi.
Yes.
Yeah, nanya leta confirmation. I'm happy mete ine step eli anchandire sana.
Yeah.
Na takete ko accomplish. So now nimebakisha tu moja. Yeah.
By the way, stages mo Catholic injiri ko ekero ko mayanga bono oso Kristo bwana bona wachenire uno mo Catholic. Nga yugo chakira go step kichi go chago paka bona wikire confirmation.
Ogo chakira baptism. Mete tutoko batizo litora bake.
Oko batizo.
Baptism ile ukiwa mtoto.
Yes.
Kwa rugabu step nere ya kabere inaitwa aje by the way. Aseke gusiba ko rukanga okorosiwa. Okorosiwa ko rugabu wacha bone yenali nge igoro.
Yokwa batisiru kwa rosiriwe
na confirmation na confirming.
Kwa confirming.
Bona nainde na chire bone ntigarite yokane ya wedding.
One nyuomo
bone
chiro. Wana oranyo mlende otali kwenda ne nyange nyuomo masaa 12 chamaro.
Sasa unaona hapo nitakuwa nimeharibu Kristo wangu.
Aya bwana totete story hii.
Yeah, ya bwana unaona na chake step questions. Sasa inshallah hiyo ya mwisho.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anyway, sawa.
Anyway, so I had a nice weekend. It's good. Na paka na feel my relationship with God has been renewed.
Amen.
Yes, so I'm so happy.
Go kwa na hallelujah.
Bwana Yesu asifiwe.
Mwana bakwe.
Yetu inakuanga
tumsifu Yesu Kristo.
Tumsifu Yesu Kristo.
Milele na milele amina.
Kabisa hapo.
Anyway, sawa karibu sana.
That was my weekend. Asante sana.
Yangu imekuwa fresh. Litukuri gorona linge chinsemo cha mugweko. Mugweko ninge gotoka lichinsemo cha kyamo kama Mungu anaro ligokole nyangi chinsemo chiri cha mugweko. Musani one sana. Obeire lishabikiri eliana samatuka mange litukuri goroni gabwate nyangi lichinse mucha mugweko. My friend, congratulations for the step you did. Yasa ni matena ba kubwate siase nyumo yao elio nayo gendere my brother from another mother. Yes, nona nga lichinse mucha mugweko sobo munya mosiko lito akore nere mirimo kare MC Dudu chinse muchiri ali and sobali.
Okay.
Oscar chinsemo cha mugweko SDA church no enyangi yabwatanene tuno umungwana kuruko Danish and Kalina nagweta malita ayo umungwana kolte nyangi yakuruko Danish na mukae bono niga kuruko Kalina.
What a unique name.
You know, it was Kalina weds Danish.
Yeah.
Ngeta kopera Danish weds Kalina.
Nani anaolewa by the way? Msichana. Sasa mbona inakuanga tuimanye tia wrong kiyo wasichana wanatangulia. I think because wewe ndo unakuja kunichukua ama.
Hapana bwana. Inaitisha there's something which needs to be done. ono ekronali ngalia elisa se sobo danishalia lichinsebo chia mogweko enyangi yalenge ne nyangi yegura. Yes, konyora banyumanire barabetira senyomo asamat kamange lakini bono barochenga etwa mo pasta officiate orande tigo so officiate te nyange ya tanga king mo basokano onye konyomire andonsia senka yao lakini tubwatiri sakaralio korokinga no nyomire oino mo basokano oyo no mo basokano bwe para. That is an accident.
Wedding is a must.
Bono lisa se ono kwanyorwa. Kwatakirwe birth certificate. Ono kwika wasoma. Class 8 kwa certificate ya masoma class 8. Then form 4 kwa certificate ya form 4. Anya sai wosene kwa gende university. Kwanyora lisa karali university. Then bono kwa makonyomu just for like that.
Lakini no matenga our government legalized kamwiste.
It's okay, but kene tiga at least montaña at least. I'm advocating for this for men and women out there. So kama umeoa at least jaribu kupea mke wako walali wa cheti. Walali wa cheti. At least later no na mimi niko hapa kialali.
Because kuna so many marriages zenye ziko tunajua ziko official can get a certificate in Kenya. Tuko kanisa bado wengine wanafanya pale juu.
Yes, boniga murandi oli kirale kweresa about nyangelia ya yegura. Baote banga bara menyiramo libalenge testing. Bono basoira soko egwa nyangi na naro chata bitanga he used only 2000 in acquiring that certificates.
2000
something. One atenga nechi kirengaki you are required a marriage certificate for you to get services as a couple. Well, just do it right now. Wacha wikirenga kire expensive.
Yes. Abantu bari baka unaona kama onye kumenyeta no muntu nene to bwati evidence. No menya no muntu for 20 years. One day one small mistake takufanya you lose everything. Because now who knows you? So that is what we are saying. Nande gentokende akwane teke kango kinkelinga ki. Oligire one chi green card. People are feeling for green cards. Wono again tokera orang kelinga ki to goichori mokago nya tubwatinye certificate of marriage. Mosacha bolikuwa genda mokago na abana bao kwalika single. Because you must write single. You must. We call it single nya tubwate certificate of marriage because wono nya tonyibwati aye toli babies. Anyway, nakita tabanga it's good. I'm just saying. Tindo tabanga kama we stay it's not bad. Lakini no yamo menyeta aligenda alio discrimination alirikirana at least no ono moswat kale ground na bakolema tali woka na chiombe woka mwete na bakonyora mama nakanire lakini tabwati awati sadeweti yekoro kinga nyomire lakini wana traditional yekara chiombe chia chire
it was traditional it's marriage but no yamba liwa traditional yekoro woka bwatiri baga kandi chiombe lakini ande bagende kanisa ande bagende kanisa bakora kibakora.
It's good to officiate things.
Yes. Anyway, that is by the way ekaratu chakire mambe yaboniga tudekora kundira county chitu ibere chia Kisi na Nyamira ngikia beire se county chibere chia Kisi na Nyamira ngai to chakira raria chakire Nyamira
to chakire nka
anko ire Nyamira tiara kwire Nyamira chakire Nyamira tumayo koranka tumayo koranka Nyamira baraiba Nyamira baraiba Nyamira boniga batanga ki ebago saba magendero baraiba Nyamira boniga batabana let's come together and make Nyamira work. Let's come together and toya magendero
Nyamira watalia mpaka lini.
In fact boniga bono singincho kumana kuiga kwa beire kwa MCA na ne governor babiri bakuminyokania ase nchero yoko taka kwimpiche governor that was which happened igetenge governor gakora kigaeta ande ogweta kuliku governor ndu akwanete ga last time let the governor not celebrate because he won tiga go celebrate mu governor amosinyalibo obwe county ya Nyamira let you not take that opportunity as an opportunity of winning. It means ayagotaka kuba impeached. There is something which was not working in Nyamira.
Yeah, sure.
Meaning ekero ndo kuligelinga you escaped by a whisker. Onye kuligeretia by MCA ba voted against the governor, they were almost 15.
Yeah.
It means half of your assembly mbabugate issue.
Agree with you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, and these people represent the people.
Yeah.
Abantu babacholete bagende kuba represent. It means inga governor Nyamira, you need to do something. Don't celebrate that you won that case. Gentekenenenkelinga kibono rengere liangunga. How will you bring these leaders together? Because they represent some people. Representatives. It doesn't matter thing.
Yeah.
These are their representatives.
Yes.
And they are complaining of some things. Meaning, boniga mugabana ta celebrate so winry genteke nebononga. Ligienchira yo koleta bantabam.
Yeah. Actions they are needed in Nyamira County. Because Nyamira County, I don't know. Nchatima ti wasano wato musani Nyamira County.
Nimbwate.
No wate.
Yes.
Nko igore mune wa complain. Wanya ko igo gento positive as at now. County government ya chiviri.
Tinabigwaro. Tinabigwaro. Problems are more than more than the good things.
Yes.
Bono abananchi bagatebanga bono abananchi nabara ibali bande bagatanga bono gentekenengelinga ki. Toya magendro ntu abantu banyamira.
And it's high time achaka magendro.
Yes.
Yes.
Nyamira leaders bonde bagatebano bono mugavana n'abantu bonse to magendro bwatera namo oli tonyora amagendro.
All is not lost. Also one it's 1 year since
yes, umwako eli.
Yeah.
But there's still a problem in Nyamira. But we are not saying Ngatekoba solved. What we are saying, as long as there is a governor, as long as there are MCAs, as long as there is a president in Kenya,
yes.
Nyamira is part of our country.
Nyamira so many
is part of us.
Nyamira
yes, abange sana.
Yeah.
Abange sana. So Nyamira town, kwanya ndi wachit Nyamira town jomwe.
Early this year. Yes.
Nyamira town nonero doesn't look that good. Timaya tiko sinaba maito mundana tatenga ki abantu mbara konyora lisase baguga tamari metse town.
Yeah.
Ono konyora ngambate tiko tigana mari maria at least asabe develop investor chisoro. By then no anse tokyo Bwari. Ngora tabandenga ki abantu bali barali anya toko lakini toko nyara go bantu mbali tetiko ni bali mo.
Yeah.
At least investor
basagali nini the change no services chisoegali ase Nyamira. By the way, Nyamira town kwa Mboli.
Yeah.
Nyamira town ko nyora nonye a building totebe yani babwate aseiga yoko ikaransa.
Bya change squeeze. Bya change squeeze Nyamira ko mesaba.
Nyamira town.
Kunya gochere. Kunya gochere.
Nyamira town.
Gochere my friend.
Nyamira town.
Do you know Nyamira town yarabyo kibwate enyumba yo mugusi.
Street ya mona.
Nyumba yo mugusi. As a whole no mugusinga mwate kuntu yete na yali and ngwa ntu achitali.
Yeah.
The culture point.
Oh, Henry Resort.
Do you know again to yo gusigo to Nyamira?
Of course. At least they tried. Hapo at least wame try. Lakini talk about Nyamira town.
Yeah.
People get services from Kisi town. Yet kuna Nyamira town.
You know what happened nelinga ki again to kia beten kelinga ki Kisi town used to be the heart of Gusii. Yeah. Kisi town. Abantu bange no n'abanyamira bange they invested in Kisi.
Yes.
It used to be the heart of Gusii. So ekra devolution yacha. Eka make sure ngaki bintu byonsi pimbigenda boso. Wono tigatanya orenga ki ntubwate asena into tokurukie town yitene main. Chobis chitu na into abana baito banyore chigasiga. Into abanyagitari baito bakaneruga. Ebintu byonse bibikolekane situma. That is what made devolution. At least people banyore bintu byabali. Employment te banga paka wicho bosong. You can seek employment at Nyamira.
Yes.
Wono again to go blame leadership. Especially on executive ye county. Nelinga ki I think they must be somehow keen. Governor amasnyali bo mwana muntu ne governor echolire n'abanya na Nyamira bonsi ida bagwakirete kura bosemba koleteki mbagwakirete enteke nene nkelinga ki bono karacha kirango no ene town wekange bigwanda biri bitakire rosyango chi stadium rosyango chi para watira nango nabaraya baiga rosinyamire koremere at least kero unaona muntu kunyamira watanga seito nyamira
no manta nyamira no nyeto kinga about tourist attractions kwari watabachia gusiga iga wete kwase kwanyako kaende waterfall ile nyamira
yako kaenda lakini mwa nyamira no emanga
nyamira they have a waterfall pale na iko smart sana.
In fact it gana one waterfall I saw abana se abana be school ngura enda baralia bata banga let's just go for kurali no ne waterfall ile no ebamanga manga is nyamira.
Oh yes
bono iko meaning una if those sites of attraction chia be create infrastructure development thing gigera kabisa siku kabisa it could be generating income to the people of Nyamira. Anyway
so ni kupanga tu
ina point tukona kunira ali abangana Nyamira na insecurities by the way insecurity abantu mungo complain balenga oboyi bwa chakre ko sana chinsemo chia Nyamira hiyo ere all over Nyamira and Kisii ngochi toliko kunira as an entity of insecurity in Egusi wono Kisii county nategera tegero mu governor kama tegera sana akrabwate umcoming yingo tochu kwandra baadaye lakini tekura kwandra about development ekarana kama tegera mu governor Simbarati atabetenga nko lakini ngonya kote matemale regosiga na rodrenga at least ngote matemale bintu bibiri bitatu because Kisii not developed, you know, it's only some small things
that are fix
kuba fix again unabono ko siri corruption iyo atabete kwanza natabete iguru yaba contractors ba cross chipara ao sichi wode ao yadali gwakana contractor etara kura para ande para irestable tali atioro sipare ko Simbarati road asengenje tutote ko gima gaban muri ke gomoro si substandard road bune ili mu ngwano lio comment ya ruitalinga onde bwensi tusengenje wono kwa nyore deal kwanda kwara nitwe paraiga emburake go twa yo aba mugondo so it means natetenga tali kwakana bantabu so it means if you want to be paid by Simbarati as a contractor you need to do serious job ana watetenga genda bakani tindi waka
but hapo kwa serious job it's fine kama ntaba colleagues because you have to work to get paid alafu pia if people do shoddy work you don't expect to fanya hiyo kazi inakuja inaumiza Kenyans hapa nje ama wananchi again you get paid as a contractor honestly hata wewe unafaa kufikiria people using that road wewe ndio umequote hapo prices kila kitu ni nini mmesign contract getting paid you have enough money to do it why can't you do it well hata kama unakula pesa fanya kazi tu vizuri
bantu malipate tu kubonyora chibesa like I want this
fanya tu vizuri
unajienjoy nilishinda contracts unaenda namna hiyo boy gonna talk about Gusii Stadium. Gusii Stadium is in construction woniga nkwaruchiri shabane guchi esa mache ichura iguru mupiros nyosuka so aba Gusii Stadium Gusii Stadium yali rechibesa bamura check count
from the last county government no nyorete
my friend
Gusii Stadium watu wameongelea for long
egaje kabeko bakie carpet mo president ukabeiro ro Uhuru Kenyatta no alenga ali akabeke goli roche ungwaya akabeke goalkeeper timani say you saw that
I remember
ungwaya akabeke goalkeeper Uhuru Kenyatta akakoraki akabeke goli ibekire carpet kabisa
tukafungua sasa kabisa officially
macha uiteke kabisa soka kabisa ngaranga bono tuabe akego matukuma kege kaniaro runande ekabekwa nande bunyasi roche nande bogaika na boko kwa macha lakini I hope maite Simbarati abairi bae nkoro China aria I hope ngambade baisetinga umata Chinese no maite nganga kibakoro sibintu abakoba kore nginga anye badu west sali round drainage system yo getikeria I think it will be nice because tutoro chibone gachi game chance be at least Shabana bali gochesera gaiga it was even easier for them and their fans but right now kuanza kuenda Homa Bay kuenda ku higher fields do you know who Shabana is playing next? Gor Mahia.
Okay.
Shabana versus Gor Mahia na Shabana ndio itakuwa home. Shabana ndio itakuwa home. Sasa watu walikuwa na imagine kwamba home ukera home ground ya Shabana na Homa Bay.
Sasa na Homa Bay ni Gor Mahia.
Na Homa Bay gali matana warro china Gor Mahia na bantagu. So will that work?
Acha watu wabebe helmet.
Ande toligere benefits of Shabana kuchezera Homa Bay na benefits ne binde.
Before all that, tigaba ntabemo kichi helmet bako genda game yu ya Shabana na Gor Mahia. Free advice. Yes. Free advice. Okay, ni bona iga Homa Bay nere home ground ya Shabana.
Yes.
Tricky lakini ni sawa.
Do you know Shabana fans mbawe ta warned by KFF Kenya Raiga Football Federation nga mashabiki ya Shabana na kora chaos chinse mucha Nairobi after babu gete game eri ya Tusker. Then baga block epara chigali chikatene jam ekaraba for sometimes, and they were warned very serious nga warn your fans next time if this happens we will have some sanctions about the team. Either you lose points ya kabere moira nigu se daraja ekende mwe penalty maybe era yechibesa.
So Shabana fans pia wamekuwa violent.
In fact right now as we are talking right now the naughtiest fans na wa Shabana.
Mimi nilikuwa najua game za Gor Mahia ndio ilikuanga beba mawe. Kibage bantabemo getimaga kuna mawe ndani. Pia Shabana.
Yes, Shabana fans boniga they were warned actually. They were warned
to see that is not our way.
Bagagulichi kolindenga if they will continue like this you'll be playing behind matches meaning you'll be playing without fans. I hope fans in the kabisa they will be working on that.
Yeah, they should work on that because abagusi ni mtu mwenye ametulia.
Yes.
Atujulikani tukiwa hivyo.
Wakisi wametulia
tu.
Lakini sio ngaikoira Omochokoro Onyamora litkolea.
Omochokoro Onyamora.
Kama hiyo. Anaweza kuwa
weekend ilikuwa mrefu sana.
Anaweza kuwa shabiki wa Shabana.
Weekend ilikuwa mrefu sana.
Kwanza Omochokoro abeli shabiki ya Shabana ya siekire miss. Gotowa Shabana gotowa.
Kwenda.
Hata kiriko ndege mu ya Gor Mahia.
Lakini ya tatema. Tatema my brother don't go please.
Tigaga ndoro. Kwanza tigaga ndege mu ya Gor Mahia na ande nkosabe timu ya Shabana ebue baya guri bagali ko celebrate. At least just celebrate baka celebrate rani. Arusi rani. Anyway, bono Gor Mahia I don't know well ngaye fix yego chakoba but I was looking at possibilities ya koba Homa Bay. What is the benefit and disbenefit of it? One, Shabana nebwate loyal fans. Abangi babiri bago support Shabana in the right way. Babiri bakonyibwate anywhere kogenda. Lakini Gor Mahia is a big club ngore Kenya guy is the biggest kubwa Kendions. Bono ngento kichikoba nikiga isi ucheseru chinse mu Homa Bay. Ebahati ntangane nelinga ki abantu ba Gor Mahia mafans a Gor Mahia gali nsobo kenga they will come kwa wengi na mashabiki wa Shabana watakuja kwa wingi because it's a home ground ya Shabana. Revenue for Shabana will be higher because unajua ni game yetu. Mumekuja kwetu mnatulipa sisi entrance. So nafikiria in terms of finance Shabana will be making good money and actually I think ticket will be at least slight higher. I think enjoy quality of the game. I think they will make a lot of money in ticket selling. Egia kabere bono gaiga ne test ya Shabana kumanyanga ono mwasoire ga elimbabu etetaska miamba ya soka Kenya. Lakini I think this Gor Mahia will be the biggest test and if it will be Homa Bay fans will be there. Bono ga kuna watu wacha chunga kaenda to nechi helmet.
Chunga sana.
Paka to nechi helmet. So advantage ndo cheka ga ne ticket selling egia kabere nkelinga fans na bago cha bangira lakini rende na ande tiga baitembe babwege mwe babwe na ande babweche kubwa Gor Mahia bakumweche dwindiri Gor Mahia ara iru sanctions yechi Shabana ya chakire kwa
abantu bange sana baganyete barolenga ngakiyege mwe gocha kwenda Shabana.
Will we go
Shabana and Gor Mahia
tutaenda
tuko nazo helmeti
bono singa nchuma ete champion ndiye chiko celebrate at least na nengo sabato bwe na atarre gori abe kwera celebrate nebwe netobeke netoire
yango como boli tole baadaye tokana kinko genda tole iko siku gani by the way
I will confirm then maybe I'll let you know.
Okay.
So to akwana about Kisii County governor Ndochina is heading to some good directions again takena na ndegeliata tanga taligo chikotika gutara butukose chinyagitara. Yes.
Mimi that one I'm giving him a tick kabisa. Because negligence enye kwa hizi public hospitals.
Yes.
If you've ever been to a public hospital, sisemi zote ni mbaya, but most of them, negligence enye iko huko.
Yeah.
Utashangaa sana. People die out of negligence. Si eti mtu alikuwa akona ugonjwa ya kumfanya akufe ama sijui nini.
Yes.
But just as unajua kwa hospitali inakuanga a slight mistake, hata wrong diagnosis, unapeleka you are gone.
Yes.
People kwanza mama wana labor hapa hospitali for such a long time. Mtu you're not supposed to die while giving birth. Tumetoka hizo enzi. But how many people actually, how many women lose their lives while giving birth because of negligence?
Yeah.
Mtu hayuko.
Yes.
Nurse maybe anachata kwa simu anakuambia we ni ngoje hapo. Daktari hayuko, amemwita kwa club amekaa. Ngoja kidogo nakuja.
Yes.
Na mtu wako hapa kwa serious emergency. Why should we be followed up ndio tufanye kazi?
If there's one thing I appreciate and like, it's when health was devolved. No chekarana igweteng health is devolved is under the governor. I was very happy. Why? Because at least the governor na bekumanyanga abantu ba ku governor, we will blame you. We blame you na yotachite ko imagine nga kyotaligereti nyagitali. Because health is very serious.
It's a very serious ministry, by the way.
Yes.
It's a very serious one. Ata madawa, why don't we have madawa in our hospitals? Why?
I just think that is in better develop. One of what I go, and I'm supporting what you're saying. Nente kwenye menterase point higa. Simbarati urata rechi nyagitali na ndata betali kuchikotiga. Again, Elisa Sorang explained about shifts of work. There is day shift and night shift.
Yeah.
You know, as much as I'm doing the same job at daytime, you are supposed to do the same job at night according to your shift.
Yes.
One thing kiko rato toke mirimo na ndato ba busy bunota kireko ba botuko na mugaso. Monto kore shift ya botuko kwa to kanga to yoga. And you know most deaths, most people even get sick at night.
Yes. Yes, they happen at night.
Yes,
it's true.
Bono wa ekarukuligere ebinte biga ande onye yabanyagitali agenda uligere no data collective and data that's chinge nyagitali chiko kolekana buto.
Yes.
It's because abanyagitali abayiga maybe mbali ko ba active chinasi chitumugete echiro chenga and you're being paid. Sijui unaona ni usiku ama unaona ni ile amini wa gava. Unajua kuna ile mentality mimi nafanya kwa gava, mimi sina supervisor. Sasa hakuna mtu anaangalia watu wapiti, wagonjwa walindwe sana.
That's why ukienda kwa private hospital unaona watu wanakuwa on check kabisa.
Main again tekuna wa kwandrigo I'm supporting the governor, just keep doing it. Asing incho chinyagitali echiga there is a mess in these hospitals. These hospitals there is a mess inside. Aba ntumbara ali bali kire bagocha botuko ba yani nasira go chat ere TikTok ere WhatsApp yani umuntu nando mati I want you to inchinabe na beire admitted nande na beire botuko nyitari. You know what happens? Muntu yiga tetomo omwebereria che gukora na boyigo not even umuntu yiga biye kalisa se no chino wana abali ndeta abantu nyagitari. In fact, I'm not supporting korendu nyagitari botuko. If the governor is going to work so serious on keeping nurses and doctors on check, there is no need yokorendu umurire botuko.
So many hospitals wameanza kufanya hiyo. So many of them.
You know, okolenda kuri umurire botuko, do you know what happens? Okolenda kuri okolenda umurire botuko, umunasi so munyagitari botuko ali yago tende ko kubeka abuna nae olekya yo muntu yiga. So tali kuba na mechando mono muntu kurbu kabisa kwa onyako ko tengale mereli bokiere. Yani imagine tinga okurwali gumambi.
But do you know why we don't trust to watch our patients in hospital alone?
Yes.
One gange wendo ire osemwe sko minoro ale tenyagitali otebigunga itimuache we enda tu home muache abantu mbali kaka bako molinda. Will you trust? Outa trust?
Yes, that's now we
because tumeweka hiyo mentality. They don't come because oli orende tenyagitali nero gochikoligie nasa acha kama tebinga ki maji imeisha. And in the real sense nasa anafaa kujua mwenyewe huyu mtu nilimwekea maji sangapi, anafaa kuja check. Sasa
lisa sena kingote ngaki abantu abange babwate notion ngokurwali gumugaso. Timatingo sino norojigete. Abantu abange babwate notion ngokurwali gumugaso. Abanyagitali mugaso, chinasi mugaso. They forget inga it's the same. It's day and night because umuntu yiga na rembo tukakora. Enas nerega night shift, a doctor nerega night shift. Ona abantu bamugate ngaki remereli bokiere. Munyagitali mami. Bae banga munyagitali natakire gutuka botukuga. That is why I'm supporting the governor nga etana na chinyagitali echiga. emesi ere chinga kitali chibutuko abantu ba ono konyora olende to muroire ogonya komore minga anya korembere no borobori bokoreki bokiere munya kitali ngo korali ngo etali man anya korembere nga bokiere ani ka ko serious mono ali ko imagine nga ni emergency chikurangerie nas it's not supposed to be emergency,
it's not,
it is the duty for monasi ole botuko goso munya kitali ole botuko kugenda kurwali umuntu yiga asingincho that is the time ya emerimo well, no, if these things are meant to be okay, we are not supposed to even kolendo bantu botuko.
We're not supposed to kolendo
bantu batakere ko korega sei kangu na banas monasi mambia ba responsible what happened.
What happened to
sio
sisi tuende kumtafuta.
Yes.
Ati kuja wewe amesikia vibaya, kuja maji imeisha, kuja dawa zinafaa kupeanwa.
Exactly. So Governor Simbarati, congratulations on that and keep doing it. And then aweke number. Mo governor wete number ya abaka ya WhatsApp. If you see something, just take a picture, send it to me.
Okay.
Send it to me. Mimi, and I'm saying, any government worker should be on check day in, day out.
Yes, unajua kitu tunasemanga watu wengi wenye wanafanya kazi na gava. Mtu anasema mimi najua sina supervisor. Mimi supervisor wangu wako huko juu. Like because at the end of the day I'll get paid. It's not like a private facility yenye mwenyewe ako hapo anakuchunga na kuangalia. Hii hapana. So hiyo ndio mentality yetu tumekuwa nayo. I don't have to do this. I don't have to come to work. I'll just call you my friend kwambie ni aje. Wewe unajua you're just a supervisor. Wewe si eti hii ni a government facility. Si unisainia hapo. Because your friends utanisainia. I'll not come. At the end of the day, the month nitaenda nipate nimelipwa na tuendele. That's why ni government facility mingi we don't get the services we deserve.
That's true.
So we go looking for money tuende kwa private facilities. And yet hata kwa government hospital ndo tunafaa kupata the best because iko na everything. Iko na kila kitu. You don't need to pay extra to get those services.
Kila kitu iko pale.
Kila kitu kabisa iko hapo, but now we can't go because atujui kama tutapata services.
Bono naande gento kende ase commentary linga nelio the politics imeanza kuingia nande I don't feel nice ekron korabara ibande bagote ne batanga kwa butira abantu basito if you are not working just go home. It doesn't matter nga yukurukuru. If you are not working just go home monto munganya olegas. As much as it's there. Yes, but if you are not doing the right job, yako ibise kenye gesakume. Yako ibisa boke nyomba ime. Nga toliko korega asisi njaye no monto korboge tutu. Nga toliko ibisa nga no monto kurnyali bali. Nga nini no monto kurmo nga ngoko obutira ba machoge. Obutira basi obutire no. If you are not working, you are supposed to go home. I don't think it's helping us unomogusi in terms of development.
Yes.
Gorusiga yangu iri baka Kenya. Dego ko Kenya lisase. I don't know if you've been in Kenya. What do you know about Kenya?
Been to Kenya.
What do you know about Kenya?
The markets.
When you take Kenya to go street quiz. Kero Mogotu Onyamora on fire. Kero on fire. Yo people.
Today tuko hapa ndani ya soko ya Kenya representing. Yes.
Akina maji kiri ndagiri araki. Yango kani mungu macha. Maji kiri ni ara. Akiri chakaola aki mungu macha. Ya to quality mirimu. Anyway. Ngando wato kache brekta. Akira kitika aki mbuya wachi kachete. Obe.
Juzi nilikuwa nimeboeka going through my gallery.
Nadali the TV sana. My phone is very 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 okay. So talking about the match sasa yantali nyamache Kenya. Talking about Kenya. Bono iga enya sole kilo 400 kgs. Nigo yabwate twalia Kenya as yalingese pickup. It was 400 kg. 400
kgs.
Approximated to be 12 million in cash.
Yes, that's a lot.
Yes. Yeah, but actually a week ago 10 bags zilishikwa a week ago. 10 bags. Lakini bawatanga bantu bagweteli para ya Kenya. It might not be from Kenya. Bantu ba Kenya. They're saying bantu bagweteli se para. They tend to think na batabwatu but chiabwatu unabono yiga mungwano yiga egali yatineti gwa road block the pick up yiga yatineti gwa road block eka teteneti then police bagatana no pick up go tatene naiga, so it means there's something wrong. Abuguliti bakakoraki bakaswa on a chest ekarba mu ba minyo kyo gari iga entereba ikiga park egatama egatiga gari then egari liga ekamusukuru ali Rangsukuru wali kanyorang ibwate nyasore approximately 350 to 400 kg. Yes, what 12 million. Bado baranyoran tereba bado bagenda kuligio monyene bwegari. Mata wono bagate ngo monyene bwegari onero ko ba responsible badaye nga irende ngokwa etega. Yes, onya talia
automatically sasa ni yapo.
Produce to us the driver, then the driver will produce to us the owner of the nyasores. Yes,
bono unajipata babaya hata kama ulikuwa umepatia mtu gari.
Bono nyasore, bono talking about nyasore. Kikia mangana iga nyasore. Wajakoya ole kuligibo president na tetengera ali go legalize. But ata kunyebeka medicinal point. Not for people to just konyenywa
abuse
and adato oroche chikiro meina chikoleta 12 million chikiro meina chiptu manchi ho 1300
wewe hiyo iko na
I'm not supporting it, but anyway
me I'm supporting it to a point of don't abuse it, but you know it can be a great within letter nini sana
don't buy
ukweli kabisa.
Kwanza wajakoya tetenga bangi kwa Nyamira iko legit sana.
Watu wamepanda bangi Nyamira.
So it can be a good business, but ekrokuligera Kenya ba Kenya mbako abuse.
Sasa hiyo ndio shida tunye tuko nayo, but ukiangalia nini advantages sijui kama tutaziita advantages kwa sahi ama ukiangalia benefits ziko pia.
Awana simegete sole 3 acres.
Okosomia bya nendo agacha ukai vizuri.
But bona katokuleli aba Kenya bange na banta bange eba enyasole mostly ne yokonywa and ba go abuse enyasole ba to a point basali egesako sina na basai mostly abasaba bange basirira se amalio ga yogotindia asinga nche bintu bakonyumbiri bintu biri bironge kwanyoranga mambe ndo kwiranira iso osenyoko kumuiranira no target ubwatege ntokere high. I remember one time back in the day garona alingo musaya ntara nyoma gacho mwana na roche ngo mwana wana bakoba bibo ntara nyoma bono muntu kinamwe kinyomba kitoga ndreta ali bonto tukonya go chatting ngora tu arole con Netflix and chilling I need to be high.
I need
to be high.
Okay.
Ngamate high how ante una akamboli kunyule nya sore ngamate ye inera kunyu ante inga serious ngamate serious ante ninyi bwate bagime ngastuka agatenga ngike biriti kamate ke biriti nyomba mwana timbwa
later
nipe later eli naro chemo ule jamaa kona so most women in Kisii actually right now wanakunywa bangi, especially the youth.
Yes hata umeleta point mzuri. Unajua siku hizi ukienda kwa hata si bangi peke yake unajua siku hizi ukienda kwa club, kwa bar, hizi places zenye watu wanaenda kujibamba hivi do you know that women ndio wanakuanga wengi?
Wengi sana
women wamekuwa wengi kuliko men. Kitambo it was even kupuli stress like watu waonekane wewe ni mwanamke unaingia kwa bar. My mom told me that yani uonekane hata umesimama nje ya bar wewe ni mwanamke. Ilikuwa serious offense.
Ibaya sana.
Lakini saa hii women wanaingia women wanakunywa sana
ndio wengi
women ndio wengi,
in fact siku hizi kwanza wanalipa
so sijui what's happening. Women wanatumia sana siku hizi mwanamke mwenye avuti hata shisha unaonanga hata shisha venye wanavuta wengi.
By the
so
way,
I don't know itogo tunaelekea
karatokuligera and I want to tell the youths out there miaka te hiyo boniga mungwana gitagote baiga lisase if you are soft as a youth expect to have hard life as an old man. But if you are hard right now as a youth expect to have a soft life as an old man. You know, use your power right now. Chinguru chiri bwate boniga chitumeke bya uno mosae sweat now. Work hard right now, then let your retirement be easy. But if you need just an easy life right now as a youth, expect at your old age or your retirement days to be hard.
Yes. Kwanza ukiangalia sahi these young ladies wenye umesema wa maybe campuses here, mtu anatoka nyumbani yako innocent anafika, unaanza kutumia hizo vitu nini. You know, it's easier here. Ama sahi it's so fun. But years later I don't know. Alafu hii generation yenye tuko sahi
gomu amule timatiko sikwanya kulirire jikoni jikoni mwaiteri niliokia karoligo tire chimuni chimuni gali and I'm telling you abantu once bakunyushisha I'm talking to abantu bakunyushisha isko gali. You can see it as fun
because kuzi shisha now is trending. Watu wanaona it kama
ninataka shisha mtu mwana msikioro re biashara. That is Mario featuring Mr. Nice.
Okay. Mr. Nice.
Yes.
Mr. Nice is back in the game.
Bono neliatumete vionjo bya kale. Oyo. So I was talking to abasai bakunyushisha iska abasa onde bwansi okonyoshisha iskoga nde toligere lisei no ligere jikoni ligere lisei no ligere jikoni echimuni onya to bwati chimuni genda oligere lino wanchikoni sei no nya mubwate yo bunyasi liyo kiriri igorali oligere lya salirongo ngakya korokana that is how you are inside abo korokana igoime.
Niliona mtu anasema nyinyi vuta shisha kabisa. There's a comment niliona kuna sijui kama uliona hiyo picha ina trend. Beba isike kwanza bai karanta sigete club gete. Mamioro mpaka kuna mwenye anatolea kwa masikio. Yes. Kuna mwenye anatolea kwa masikio. It was trending. So someone commented hapo chini, endelea kukabisa sasa tutumie hizi videos. Post kabisa. But msituweke kwa mchango.
You know, okay.
It is niko na lung cancer, niko na whatever.
I'm in no. I'm not complaining about you partying.
Yeah.
Nche nande tiniko kani monto buna ati wano neka nisango kubika.
Yeah.
Nande tiniko ukani nga toga enda ko koreshere. Kaoreshere. Lakini, I'm specifically saying, anything neba na macha karoko nyanyu in excess na bago goita.
Yeah, everything.
Na bago goita. Tiga koko kia bantu. Asingi njuyo kunyuchi nya sole chiri ne chisha chiri. Na bono tete koro kia bantu nga kio maete ko soke elio.
Yeah, bono nayo maete binto pigo trend.
Na bono nche maete nga kinda soke elio kipa kan soke liya mato. Abanda ko soke libali na wango chichinse monta nyare ko kwan. Tiga antige buti nyare ko kwan. I'm telling you mwamole baka chinse mecho. Kumwamole baka chinse mecho nkobole chimuni mambi na mambiende nkolerore chimbaronchiyo ngolerore langs ngotwarole binte bikone ochago tobeka chigurupu chimechanga. And I'm telling you na egrupu ne yo ande chibiche chia ochama gosoka kwa getu chibiche lisa se tintoliko bisanku nkwandore clubbing sometimes ekrobwate your free time.
Yes.
Are you allowed kwa kuchibicha chiriche club unabona bwata marui moderate igagabisa nkyoko ngoko gokia?
I don't know. Nkwaro chake ntokia bete kasavera.
Yes.
That now you can't film me in a club ama take photos of me, post without my... I think hiyo hata inakuanga.
Yeah, kwe fine. Yeah. Nyingi sana. No muntu ba post it without his consent.
Yes, you have to get consent. That's what sisi tukienda outside there, we don't take people's pictures. Lazima tuambie we'll go to post this one on our YouTube. Because we need to get consent from them.
Yes.
So, pictures hizo nyomesema abantu na uvawancha bapostiwe wono kwa rocho buna chibicha cia basike banyiri na shisha si mtu amepose
murana sianta te gukwana lietelia lakini ende ngodiria na mangane ndagira akyo mwana wa batago tigigashiri okora ai no mumura ai no musacha mere bito timaze kusikwa mumanyire tinamukwana lietanje godiria na mangane ndagira akini maite no bwate following yabantu ko support lakini mwana umento bia man what you are doing is not right. Oyo mumaete bakumuikiri ujumbe
that is not right.
Bintu biria akora akibona mintu social media onye tumbe kubya no bwate following lakini anyway no why anyway.
So people wanna pose those pictures, they are not forced.
Yeah.
Kama unaona mtu amesimama kabisa amepose, kama amebeba hiyo drink yake amebeba juu hivi, kama ameipose kabisa anataka tuone, they get posted. So many people wanapenda wapostiwe waonekane wanapati
generation
kia mothers wameketi hapo. Those are mothers wanafanya hizo vitu ama future mothers. And remember the internet does not forget. Years later mtoto wako atakuja tu ana type hapo ana type tu inajileta tu yenyewe. This was what was happening. Ama sijui, maybe we've just lost it as a generation.
Yeah, talking about youths, we'll be talking about the other side of positive youths. Still, that is, we can't be sitting here and advocating for that. Ndoko support
Yeah.
We can't sit here and support even to be one day, one time, you can't support one go so
sasa utaambia mtoto wako nini na unafanya hivyo.
Every mother na atakete mwana wa at least angote binda bana bande bonse basaya bali skoiga yako baba Kristo mone karo wo ikirenka na ndinto byoko ngo nyorore bintu bibigo soka na ndo mwiburi ugago stuke sana atastuka sana hata kitu inaweza. Kuna mtu aliniambia saa hii mama yake ayani haizi fikiria anaweza kuwa ameketi kwa klabu anavuta shisha, let alone hata kukunywa wine. Hata mama ya nani pia hawezi fikiria. So wacha ni sasa siku moja simu mama ya ule jamaa hawezi fikiria kama ule msichana anafanya hivyo. Ai ata faint. Sasa siku moja simu ipigwe tu hivi ati umepatikana kwa emergency, unaanzia wapi? Anyway, gwira na tole to kwanda about muswati na alonye kwa ra wa ntaba SDA wate utakiri go changiro chibesa yete iga chikokoru operation. There are some SDA groups wacha mo iga bagakora good job. We will talk about that on our karto iran cruise break. Chara giri chinsi to chiabona mambi twara ya kunireli sase twara ya kunire ngoira nango ngo rusinde gagu ngoire baka ase Brian Mwendwa. Okay, the trending lawyer. Fake it till you make it, fake my friend. Tiato kwa kotera konde next gaiga kotera na MC Kudu kokurku mwana ne. MC Kudu is one of the greatest. I love that. Yes. Mungwano igacha tena kotera utangani kabisa nye kukunyorete. Corona tutigane. Enda pi. That was the first song. Yes. Genda pi. Yani kuna kuwa mo that is the limelight. Corona tutigane. Genda. Ntogyo kanda nyore MC Kudu muboli. Na yakurusike usikelia. Montoli lakini no mugusibuli kwanza kera ko umutuga kakabekiri kajakiro koraiga manyanga bintu bigosokurwa go yukanda paka usiku kabisa aitwali kurusira bura aitwako ayi muji kuroje boragenda anyway na bora nyona ere paka usiku acha ni mtafute ngumwagira tole sintuga ya kato watu ko dero ko bwana MC Kudu. We coming back in a few mwancho muligerelia INKA TV. Don't go anywhere, don't touch the dial. They call me the king himself, Makinight, alongside Bridget Kerolisa se Lienka.
Wasire taoni ayo mwana neka gokinya buya wasire taoni inka ejiko nangokora iga dibwada basani iwa namare bokogora inka banza koira madeni inka ejiko nangokora iga dibwada basani iwa namare bokogora inka banza koira madeni kwebulyo nyanda kenago sete tojetyo kwane ukaeminja na indayo kariege tukatama korubone mwawe saiga yatagukire ena yerorire na koinyoire amauga gwasimegeta norire ena burugire bakana rosire ngonyoro mwana na some toziraire bosongo ngonyore visi jana rwete na igwa bosongo omwana one injo nakorangeire omwana one injo nkonye tena chande kire mwana one kago some buya wasire taoni ayo mwana one kago kinya buya wasire taoni nka ejiko nangokora iga dimbwada basani iwa namare bokogora nka banza koira madeni nka ejiko nangokora iga dimbwada basani iwa namare bokogora nka banza koira madeni amaiga mange naragerire ntantaine kakiayo mwana one temangayo chonkwanye ekwebo moiborine muma wenyore toranyoma inyora kuna tuare kolio kuba no mwana omino ke muma naine kirie kana gwatwebire nkasa ino kwanyebire chinkabage kaya gwetwekire abutaoni kwa ngainirwe etaonero nembo mwana onero ratongainwa anjango chenko mwana ona bukira maiga obe omwana koira madeni nka nechiko dango kora iga bimbwa dia basani igwa na mare mokogora nka basa koira madeni naenda kiriete gwatu ebire nka seino kwanyebire chinkobage kaya gwetu ekire abutoni kwa ngainirwe omwana one incho nakorange ire omwana one incho nkonye na chane kire omwana one kagosomya buya wasire ire taoni ayo omwana one kagokinya buya wasire ire taoni nka echiko nangokora iga bimbwa dia basani iwa na mare mokogora nka basa koira madeni nka echiko nangokora iga bimbwa dia basani iwa na mare mokogora nka basa koira madeni wasire ire taoni ayo mwana one kagokinya buya wasire ire taoni nka echiko nangokora iga bimbwa dia basani iwa na mare mokogora nka basa koira madeni nka echiko nangokora iga bimbwa dia basani iwa na mare mokogora nka basa koira madeni Semo ya nagacha, aganga konga
Good morning. Dickson Nkundi Korokeroka Water Supply. Dominic Ontomini Bwakire Buyapi.
Entanda.
Koro entanda. Asante sana Dominica. Fred Nyamirimba kotaba good morning from Irianyi Kemera Makmi present. Devike Inera kotaba good morning. Mura Rozi Bwakire Buya. Amos Kamuri Bwakire Buya. Rose Ratemo Bwakire. Ediva Yeskimu Bwakire Buya na Emma ambaye Nyamesocha kotaba Bwakire Buya.
All right. Ediva Yeskimu ndo chino herawe. Yes. Do you know her?
Yes, I know her.
Yes. Diva Divana. Anaitwa Diva Divana. Yeah. Yes.
She's tuned in.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Once balibagandete go to ligirelia mambega ya bono iga. Yekurwa INKA TV, Cheki FM, INKA Bwakire, Nchekurwa Makinight. Atoleni sasa Bridget Sekerubo.
Omochokoro Onyamora is missing in action.
I don't know ngayagenda. But we will try to find out. Atumuone studioni.
Ni mrefu najua.
Yeah, weekend anaweza kuwa alipiga mavitu. Yeah, mavitu unajua kupiga mavitu. Unajua unaweza piga vitu za kwenda kwa tumbo na unaweza kuwa Kenyoro kanya kusiberanse. My friend.
We wacha mchezo.
Ati nini?
Na boko change settings. It's talking about Nzumi Kraidro. Nzumi Kraidro naona ni msanii ambaye amekuwa akifanya vizuri sana of late.
Yeah.
Amekuwa akitoa hit after hit hapo muziki. So he's doing well. Amatera endo chembu yale naenda ako swami sana, especially settings. Agaja Mamioro.
Nzumi Kraidro kero nche this is my honest opinion.
Yeah.
Nzumi is a good artist.
Yes.
Ni mwanamuziki mzuri sana.
Yeah.
Ana looks ni kijana brown,
ni kijana
light skin, na baba kista kisani. Na ncha nimo manyete as one on one nimo manyete.
Yeah.
I have a problem niliyetaliae. Little Kraidro tiharusio. Tigatigale na Nzumi. Yes.
Lakini I had a problem with it, but squeeze naona ni kama imeingia mtani.
Nilitambe.
Nilikongo kwa nilitambe.
Litambe. Tuli kongo na nilikongo na nini sawa. But nilitambe. Tero Nzumi. Yes, Nzumi.
Yeah.
Okoyunga ngoyu.
Nzumi.
Bono ntebya ngoyu.
Nzumi.
Bono okay.
Kraidro. Nzumi Kraidro.
Bono akimongino kale nyamataro ga kimongino kale ga aliensi sense.
Na buchifans.
Kakina buchifana bako guchire die china baga totegere. Mongino kale ga aliensa akyanse. Ngaki akoroku. Ngaki bata birelia ngaki. Nzumi ngaki linde. Ngaki.
Wasatiga.
Ano Omochokoro nalikwane. Miaka ya rachi.
Wasatigarao. Lakini nkora yako ilikuwa Mr. Settings.
No, it's okay.
Yeah.
But I'm just
the name. You're just advising.
I'm just saying this.
It's opinion.
My opinion.
Yeah.
And business wise. Business wise because it sings good. Na kirigento tiharu sideteli Kraidro. Atigale tu. Maana baideli kuru Kraidro. Yes.
Nzumi Kraidro.
Yes. Yeah. Nebali kalenga kini. You can just have it as your name. Ntuku maete bahande lakini just market the word Nzumi, the name Nzumi. Yes, Nzumi featuring Mansango. Nzumi featuring MC Migi. Yeah. You know, ekrangu kwa na igu mosbati na haro kurukwa Fina Tanzania. Fina Tizi. Mosbati ulia karukira Sarafina. Ina lieta li alio kuiburwa. Na ekra so muziki niga chagete kuiruka Sarafina. Na haratereta matera kuruka Sarafina. But it's a good name. Ekraba advice jagaranga no Sarafina iliga lili tambe.
Yeah.
Nabo igo eligo swana na ne biasara ne muswati na role famous ku South Africa ku Sarafina movie Sarafina.
The movie star.
Yes, akaranga liete liga eligo collide na uchiaiga akaranga tigaliro tiga change yaro kufina likalia Sarafina.
Short form of Sarafina.
Yes, akalibeka business. Akaligira business. Naona kera bantu bakwenda YouTube tuli search Sarafina Okonyo rulio South Africa.
Search Fina.
Yeah, wanna go search Fina. Forever Young, by the way, ochakira go change onyo go achakira korra. Ochakira go iruka yizo.
Yeah.
Chakira go iruka yizo. Senjo Forever Young karo kubeka gali no bokonyara go ngende kura achali no gulwa jayz.
Yeah.
Chakira go changa yizo papa yizo. So I'm thinking ona ran konya go chale. Konya go chago chale. Karato kwandra monto na mboso. Ekera chite wasafi ni akaro kirumaro mboso. Lietalia iburunga karo kumaro mboso. Yes. That is the real name. Yes, anaitwa Maromboso. Pero wasafi baranga, which name can we market in the hapa nje?
Yes.
Hatuwezi kumuita Maromboso. Let's just shorten this name to Mboso. You see, right now
it's easy hata kwa mtu kukumbuka aje Mboso. Yes.
Yeah, boni gali yokorobia. So Zumi is doing good as much as he's doing good music. I think Tigaru Little Crido no antali kurusi. Let him go and think about it. Little Crido libabia. Liga bana muziki ba gusiga oko una MC Kudu. Just like that.
Yeah.
MC Miggy. Babu G. Karoko imagining a Faith Stan.
Yeah. Fina B.
Mash Wanda.
Yeah.
Bintu mbere bigocha raisi.
Haraka.
Bintu bigocha buhango. Cridro. Cridro, I think. And Zumi is good more than wanamuziki wengine hapo hata wenye nimetaja wengine.
He's doing well.
Yeah, he's doing good. Yeah. My brother, go work on that. Go work on that. Make your own decision. You know, I can advise, but the decision I can't make it for you. Yeah. Bono tuwabe kotero kunge kenyorugi akoreki. Yansaliri settings. Settings cha Brian Mwendwa. Zime spoil, my friend. Hey. Do you know who I'm talking about?
I know the trending lawyer. Say fake lawyer.
The trending
can I call him a fake lawyer?
Trending fake lawyer.
Fake lawyer.
Yes.
Okay, yes. It's been trending.
In fact, a quack lawyer.
Yes, it's still the same thing.
Yes, fake quack lawyer. So, mongwano yiga okuruko Brian Mwendwa. Nigo abwa bagatanga LSK bagatanga they noticed nga muntu naro ko masquerade.
Yeah. Yes, as an advocate.
Okoraki ko masquerade chi court buna mu advocate. Asamalito kurko Brian Chila. The Law Society of Kenya batebire nona babunge batiko swana na neki na kyumungwano oyiga. Tigakonya ku Mong'ina, this man no muntu le threat to our society. Is a threat. A controversy has rocked the Law Society of Kenya, LSK, after a man purporting to be an advocate was outed as an impersonator.
Yes. So this guy wako tabanga tanya kutacha law school. No nyendimo. But wanasema he's won 26 cases so far.
No, LSK president, Law Society of Kenya president Eric Theuri. Na tebetenga that is a lie.
It's a lie. He represented even Maina Njenga in court.
You know, Kenya ga bintumbiri bigo chibiacha tuakumisana. In fact, Mbuvi Songo huyo isokiri kumotetea Brian Mwendwa nga na ready como bail out. Na ready como produce as a DCI. Lakini at the right time. Na ndo tepirega omongwano oiga orokire personality orokire buna na bakunyara na ande bono Kenya gaiga na bakora kendi gionsi buno tagete na ndonyo bwire bakibinebyo. Who are you?
This guy is confident. Sijui kama umeona court cases zake.
Umeona.
Ako na confidence sana.
So ekro court secretary general Francis Atwoli oisokre na rego support Mwendo oiga otabirenga abantu mbale ba bugate knowledge gete yo gwakwaya elinga bona taranya skills na papers cha serikali lakini bona nte tonsomere some of the famous lawyers remarks ba rugago ba botiende amolo ba rugago famous remarks chigago ngakibagoteba.
But this guy again before I nisome comments this guy is sharp. He's brilliant ukisikia venye yako
because anechinderu no ninchira kubika paka lakini abantu nabale mu my friend
because I know kuna zile careers zenye uwezi impersonate mtu. Unajua careers kama law unajua kuna zile terminologies wanatumia zenye you have to go to school ndio uelewe.
Yes.
Vitu kama hizo lakini Kenya watu wengi wamefake. Me I'll just tell you others wengine but let us just read.
Lakini oigaba oyo naro chirare paka koti kabisa akote na kabisa akote bie magistrate kabisa ali serious
kabisa
bakabua bantu batete by the I want you to read a comment ya Otienda Amolo. Yes.
Otienda Amolo
not even that musibate nara gumutangani.
Joy. Let me just read all of them then.
I want you to see ikiate category ya clients.
These are senior lawyers in Kenya.
Yes, bali babire ba muaire and bakote anga bono bakogeto babuire kina kiao.
Senior lawyers in Kenya wako na remarks hapa. Like Joy Mdivo akoteva, I see people falling over themselves defending that masquerader. If ever you have lost your case due to an incompetent advocate, you have recourse. But a case won by an unqualified lawyer right now, that judgment is worth nothing. His clients are all now badly exposed. Tragic.
I want us to talk about that. A comment Yuka. That is a very senior lawyer.
Yes.
In this country. Agote banga mbiyano rusi case kotini. Ne a lawyer ere incompetent. Na boku manyanga oiga alishindwa na akili ya huyu mwingine kwa maana pia wote wamesoma lakini huyo ndena mweta ni ngaki kubwe kina n'umuntu
ole incompetent
tali incompetent kubwerwe kina n'umuntu
tali lawyer
ndo ne lawyer what can you mochiko tali gwanja tali gwanja emineti gali sase omwalimu ndeko kebeka ina a good way. Omwana otiga kugenda school oberanka osomi guno mwibuli oe tamatemu oyo osomire school no mwalimu tagweta matemu.
It's true.
That is the same.
It's the same thing. Na relate kabisa.
Bono ntebi yangu mbu yoyo iga feli lakini eta sabalimu oyo igonda aete tasomo ibuli otali mwalimu tofauti ne.
Is the knowledge not the same? So they're impacting the same knowledge.
No.
Yes, they're impacting the same knowledge. Ile kitu yenye unasoma pale home, acha nikwambie, kwanza in our primary schools zile mingi ile kitambo. I know tulikuwa tunafunza with untrained teachers. Sisi hata when tumekuja ku grow ndio tumekuja kujua kumbe wako endanga TTC in primary school. Walikuwa tumemaliza form 4 maybe ulikuwa unapita, hakuna pesa uendelee na masomo, unaingia primary school hapo yenye ni private, unaanza kufunza watoto. Si walitufunza.
So what I'm trying to understand from that comment here Ngiga ngambu yotoke skuru mbu yobere skuru gaiga at least unyako notaheta
ni vizuri kupata ile nini
chibwanchiro komere skuru ga umanyore ngoyo no mwalimu umanyore na nini kubwa gweta kolenka mbu yona yo feli kuruete skuru. That is I think that is
what lawyer Joy meant. But now
asinara ukwana go next even those clients who won the cases through this man they are badly exposed.
But one point nile
no Kenya nistigatiga bwana.
Let me tell you huyu mse ana argue court like other lawyers. Nobody ever realized ama noticed that this guy is not learned.
So what can we talk about our court?
Nobody ever noticed mpaka sahi even judges na amekuwa high court. That's a very unajua high court.
So as long as you know some good English
confidence but I think mimi hizi knowledge za lawyer kuna nini zenye uwezi copy, kuna career zenye uwezi fake by the way.
So is a good
ama alikuwa ama alikuwa na hang around someone maybe walikuwa na hang na lawyers unaanza ku get ile ni kama udaktari. Can you fake being a doctor?
Tara so quote we don't know his story ntora nyigwa
tujasikia vizuri. I'm thinking
maybe I went to school of law yani anyway tikatoka ndaka so much comment chindi chia senior lawyers yange banega unkiba kwana
tusome sasa ya anaitwa nani Otienda Amolo. Otienda Amolo anasema my empathies go to Mr. Brian Mwenda.
Yes.
He may get all the social media support and encouragements from Bro Atwoli and Honorable Sonko. Sadly, he can never be admitted as an advocate of the High Court of Kenya on account of prior impersonation. Labda jaribu Uganda ama Tanzania.
Oh, that is the point. Inga bwana trochi LSK Law Society of Kenya. Na bako admit lawyers bind at least to courts kwa bana advocate kwa bana nini. right now they are chasing after this man. It can never happen in Kenya. Mike Sonko otebrenga ready to sponsor this man to go to law school outside Kenya. And asome anywhere about law nini. But ye comment ya Otienda watamuna, even if you now graduate, you can't be admitted advocate in our courts. Either ujaribu Uganda, because you are you so far the last word
anasema you can never be admitted as an advocate of the High Court of Kenya on account of prior impersonation.
Yes, now you've just impersonated. So even if you qualify, you can't be taken serious. So there's a senior lawyer in Kenya, and I don't know how this case will end, but sadly kwanyora support ya atuoli. But even if you go and nabo kwanyora your papers, but wana LSK nabo bahajiri bao, they are chasing over you. You are winning over them. So it means even if you come back, anyway, this is Kenya. Anyway,
confidence muhimu. Acha tusome sahihi Nelson Havi.
That is former LSK president.
Nelson Havi. He's a very good lawyer pia. Brian Mwenda could have practiced law successfully without holding himself out as an advocate. After all, Okiya Omtata has done so effortlessly. Winning precedent settling cases all the way to the Supreme Court and dwarfing many of us in the process.
Okay. A point here, you want to tell politically. Nelson Havi, the former president of LSK, Oniga Eric Teuri, Nerule, president of LSK. One, working they are not in good terms. Through that comment, working about Tabaiga, our pendani. And when you see things, Nelson Havi was on Kenya Kwanza, Westlands, on a Kenya Kwanza basis. Teuri karikuwa kumuligiri gabu yana boko moranga narazmi. Karikuwa kumuligiri. I'm not, and actually, that is my views. But they are now is responding. The Uri was making these remarks as a law of society of Kenya president. There
is no factual basis to support the misleading claims. Efforts to apprehend him are in high gear, and we are optimistic that he will be brought to book.
They are misleading. And point asanara mentrega unga umuntu nagandate kuligigwa
will be brought to book
lakini actually me as Makinight, I'm not supporting that guy. I'm not supporting
what he did.
I'm not supporting what he
did.
But I think he tried something impossible.
He
can be a threat. Abinguma etheti sasocha ko kwanda nyagita aliko be cleaner mambie ndo igole chemist nando cha
kutoka kwa kwa bantamalio
singe nchobona kwa role regali mambie cha kutunga bantu that is the same thing.
It's bad. Okay, impersonation is bad. But now mimi kitu moja tu nimelearn from this guy. Kuwa na confidence ni muhimu. Kuwa na confidence ni muhimu. Yes.
You know what? I'm telling you, your honor. Your honor, what's your honor?
Unasemanga the H is silent. But let me remind you, hiyo confidence yake na hiyo ni kama hata kama nimekwambia law, it's not something yenye unaweza amka kama saini kupeleke court you argue. You can't. Kuna zile vitu zenye tu lawyers wanajua
terms of law.
Unajua tu.
It means someone na what
unaelewa watu lawyers usoma for 6 good years.
But what we are saying, he never did a good thing.
It's not right.
Confidence ya hero. Lakini I'm seeing Kenyans supporting him so high.
Because story behind it.
And actually,
I'm not sure.
And actually people are saying in Kenya right now, to get money you can do anything. Why are we there? it means the government is not doing right. Government needs to do something. Youths right now
au kumbuki ule mtu mwenye alinini kuna msemo mwenye alihack account. Let me take you back nikukumbushe.
Hack account
akabamwa MP paka alikuwa ana receive paka CDF.
Yes.
Don't you know that?
I know that.
Kuna mwingine alikuwa askari for years.
Bantu babeire.
Kenya fake police alikuwa anaitwa Joshua Waiganjo.
Muntu kwigorale obisi atango otomiru no sub chief.
Ali work for 10 years assistant commissioner. He used to hire and fire policemen and he was never police. Kumbuka Mugoa Wairimu.
I'm telling you.
He was a doctor.
So aba Mugoa Oliga na muinyora na tebanga lakini Oli was that was a quack doctor.
That was a quack doctor. But you know nilikuja kusikia story yake kumbe alienda med school but hakumaliza 6 years. Sijui ni juu ya ama something. So si eti hakuwa na knowledge kabisa ya udaktari, alikuwa nayo but now zile vitu zenye alikuwa anafanya ndio zilikuwa mbaya. Yes.
Right.
Honestly. But Kenya we kumbuka watu wengi people have been faking in careers, people have been hacking systems.
I was reading some comments and I want to say this. Anyway, I will tell you off mic. I'll tell you off mic.
But Kenya, Nani Brand is not the first person.
Sio wa kwanza. Lakini nimeona East Africa karibu hata niliona comments from Tanzania. People are championing this guy. But Asenaro ta impersonate una law. Una
daktari.
Doctor, ni nurse. Because at the end of the day you may as well win but you will later in point give some serious and you can be a threat even to your own people. Anyway ekarato kuruagu wano ngakie fair haringe
fair imepanda. Mimi sijui mali penye tunaelekea maisha.
I want you to say pain at the pump.
I even want to tell you tuanze kufanya Zoom sasa from our houses. Because I don't know.
Kwara uso Omochokoro wako ameta maguta.
Tima itimba kabone.
Eto kenga kwa ameta ndara jambiri. Gotira. Akabwate kebuyibo. By the way, talking about I want to tell you ngaboni gama butana mentete ekebuyi wono muntu tayo kabwate gari otagutara na kebuyume. Muntu tayo ukabwate gari boni bantu beje pigi.
Mentete to bonete to embrace bono.
Ekebuyi.
Tiga ekebuyi. Alafu bona ntoba.
There is petrol. Ekara ya menta boigo bantu bakarira. Bono iga litukoli igoro wase moison. This week.
Jana.
Igoro. Maguta ni mafuta ni amendete petroli amendete lisasa na 5.72.
You can imagine. Alikuwa nasema I agree that Kenyans are hurting. Fuel prices have gone up because of the oil market worldwide. There's nothing we can do about it. We are the mercy of OPEC and only pray that we are able to produce our own oil someday. Someday. Yes.
You know, ekero muswati yakwana. That is a National Assembly deputy speaker.
Yes.
And very close ally of the president. Meaning we out of their hand.
Yes, there's nothing they can do about it.
Do you know what? Every 14th of every month, price changes of fuel.
Tough times ahead.
Igonga na ndetale 14 next month. Either iranense usatire. Tebugati etoro chona batire tina 5. Pengine mbacha baira na 1. Bagotire na 30. Baira ni yetaye.
Abantu bado ngotumeka manda mafuta.
Abantu ngotumeka bado mafuta yetaye. Meaning une bintu bado nebikonguskoga. Bintu nebikonguska.
So I don't know. Aki Kenyans.
Anyway, tutaumia sana. Bono ekorokuligereria ngokumia mono abantu ba matatu. Abantu ba boda usina bananchi ba kawaida. Bakumia monekera mafuta higa comment.
Wananchi wa kawaida. Kwa sababu sasa kama leo tumepandishiwa fare. You know, it's not their duty to become.
Yes.
Hiyo si kazi yake kujua. Wewe anataka kujua venye atanunua mafuta akupeleke job. You have to pay for it.
Yes.
Because ukiona imepanda si imepanda. Sasa ukienda kwa supermarket products zimepanda because so right now mimi sijui mali penye tunaelekea. Tough times ahead, depression imepanda. People are not mentally okay. Uliona research. Hakuna jobs Kenya. Bono na kitokuligira linga chi county una bono Kisii and maybe other counties impress serious strong circles. Linga ki price kurwe stage ere regulated.
because one igomo elisa sere na bukumiro muntu akoleta 70 mambi na bakonyoro ndagote 50 mambi na bakonyoro ndagote 100 togenda so there is no uniformity singing there is no strong circles oyende tubwate tukwira ba so problems uniform pain if it's one I think it's not but I can impress on serious
tujakuwa na serious sako ile tunaweza point out tuseme hii exactly but mali tunaenda maybe it's supposed to be there it's necessary we should have one
and na baba okay because we can't be what I mean
kama sako ya kwenda huko kwetu they walipandisha point ya circles if we only had strong circles when you wanajua what they're supposed to do maybe vitu zingekuwa pondo ile hata sasa ikifika unapandisha fare haingekuwa so hard for people to understand
according to their wish PSV badanga bono lenda mafuta kaira nitense you need to kuirani fair since bono anyway there's serious pain and actually ndogenda serikali tigekore gintu I believe even if they should do something.
They should do something. Mali tumefika sahi Kenyans are crying. I don't think kama kuna mtu mwenye
ngiwache kulika kama ahora na inyoir digantige
natembea Kenya sana
bono kuruchin sema chaka kamega musacho yo mo no musacho yo moniga